Here with
Yes.
Abla Dzifa, Minister of Tourism, Ghana. Hello, madam. How the UN Tourism Assembly session in Riyadh for you?
Well, first of all, let me wish the world happy 50th anniversary of the UN Tourism, and to say that we are grateful to the people of Saudi Arabia and the government for hosting us so remarkably. From arrival through to today, we've had the most amazing experience ever. Yesterday was a wonderful evening, and so we thank Zurab and Sheikha for working together to give us this wonderful experience. I think Riyadh is beautiful, isn't it? I've seen so much in this country that I did not anticipate that I'll be seeing, and I must say that this is tourism at its best.
Yeah, tell me about the Ghana, the best tourism attraction you want to show to the world. Which are the
Well,
best?
so Ghana is the landmass that is closest to the center of the world. Point being that both the equator and the meridian meet very close to the shores of Tema, which is the industrial city in the capital of Accra in Ghana. Our strength as a people is the warmth, the safety, and the cultural heritage that we have in our country. We consider ourselves as the hub of Pan-Africanism, welcoming all Afro-descendants into our community. Did you know that Ghana has gold, cocoa, diamonds, timber, and some safari? And of course, we are by the shore, so we have a beautiful shoreline, and all countries around the world depend on a lot of the wealth that we have. And we want to encourage you that do not only look for our gold and our cocoa, but look for the people as well. Tourism is our movement, and we have beautiful sites to show you. We have exquisite food. Gastronomy in Ghana is top of the range. And of course, the World Heritage that UNESCO has listed includes what you find in Ghana, forts and castles, and of course, our beautiful Kente has recently also been listed. And it's a good reason for you to come and see how handwoven Kente is done in our country.
Great to know.
We have excellent relationship with our neighbors, and if you know the history of Africa, we have indicated that it is possible for a country to have peaceful elections, handover from one party to another. We've exemplified that. We are the beacon of hope in our ecosystem and in ECOWAS. We are also celebrated for being the peacemakers. Good reason for you to come, and lots of sunshine and rhythm in Ghana.
Any message you want to give to our tourism industry?
Well,
Here in
the world,
with the
yes,
UN
the
Tourism
world is
Assembly
talking
session?
about the role of AI in tourism. It's a good thing. My only caution will be that we not allow that to squeeze out the space of human beings, and to squeeze out the space for women. Only today, we've awarded 5 people who won the contest that was held by UN Tourism, and all 5 were men. Where are the women? I'm looking for a woman in that space. And I think that the energy that we found at World Trade Market in London and what the experience has been in Riyadh shows that the world is indeed coming closer, and we're willing to do more. We need to just learn to redistribute the wealth in tourism and change the direction of where we experience tourism. Come to Africa, the heartbeat of the world.
Thank you, madam.
Thank you.
Thank you so
so
nice
much.
of you.
Yes.